Okay, Chief, for your mama, about the record center, so and there's so ya dear Kuda, ebe churchroom, normal a faka, and I feel and put say, what problem now per se, and so, ma'am. A opportunity to see a pa amount. Intino, a record to amount aquaba pa cassia, sendeno, first time. Upumi akonya ede hwe video ya ma aquaba, wa banso a ya ma trance na de ya pese wo yema ya ni say wo be subscribe but subscribe button no wo be hit na wa hit notification bell no na watumi akonya abibia ya de video meto bia na watumi anya akonya hwe because we use ka nkwa de a na we ya ka use de a opportunity ma say wo be gane record to na watumi anya akonya anya all the tips and the benefit ye pese ye DAMMM ntino eno ni ade a ye de si ye ni se ye pese ye DAMMM wa ha ntino and your first time a wo ba ade a ye ma akwaba pa na subscribe na like na we put a comment in the comment box na wa san share ama wa dofo ni oma wonu so mu yusuka bia na omunya akonya enso entumi fanhwe sa platform no ntino eye akonya eda homa obia yusuka se obetumi yusu platform we na ono so ahu mpo ya kaka akrempo a ka den ana normal we yusuka wo se we inspect wo na hu tama we schedule proper maintenance ni na so homa ntino eye akonya kese pa mba buana sa big family we ebetumi anyini akọ etire pa to diaspora no bianya so mfaso ntino mesama mo akwaba adeba record center so na ye ha no dia ye kire ni se ye kire ka ho anoma engine asia electric cars who pese wutu bibi fixing wonnim idea bia ye kire okwan afa so ba ye bibi say how to detect it now you rectify ni na no the tre ewa ha ntino basic information are very useful when ye tre wa ha ama customers car users and even auto mechanic and technicians one so no mutuminya access edi showcase one scrolls na anya no kwa na ye tre full instructor content are me tre fundamentals basic hints principles when it comes to the mechanic itself, the fraud, and the service workshop, what to do and what not to do. I know you know your chihuahua, a multi-system, and you use how they perform the service to the general public. Say, oh, for the first time there, then you are the right place, which I want to welcome you warmly. And what I want you to do for me is to click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated. Yes, you have been mixing with Trini Bufflin. I said you'll be able to say, what banner will stay nowhere to me and your conya at sea. Now, the main issue I will discuss and then about buying a used car in Ghana here, which is very important because in Kofu fall into victim all the time. Ever talk car no problems in Kwantino. Who say we have to help people out there to solve this problem because people are falling into scamming. A whole lot of issues are going here and there. We are here to solve this issue for people out there and the car users, which is very important. So we talk about then I will say, oh yeah, your basic things here you have to inspect it before going to buy a used car. Now, first thing you have to do is over here a lot of research. Now when car and the dealers know it may a good price and the good seller at the end of the day no come and answer in any fraudulent because we pass it through some of these people their hand they will kill you and vanish. You can't get access to them. They are in the system. Wouldn't buy a drink American. I would say you're more authentic now into me escaping from these incidents all the time. I say I talk because I know there what makes you for very long time what may yes can be protocol, you have to enjoy it than to say we lose you ama any other person or ordinary person there or be cream say or car sellers, not knowing that he's not the right person, which is not good at all and very sad is when these things happen in different areas. And we are here to address and polish some of these issues for you now. We bet me the tips and the guidelines are able to do into buying a car. And number one, we say we your research now. One cause you know the car you want to buy now. And no crime you have to know say whether it's a home use or Ghana use, and I say even old car we say problems all over, but don't go into fall into that trap. Uber to use car now, some of them has problems. Uber making inspection, but first of all, your research you now meet seller now check the document of the car first. The model, manufacturer, and the location of car if you buy now. Confirmation, then you know say you are at the right point. Now where to now as you are back home. And in general, so at the back could be say it's very important. Say who go in say oh yeah, Saturday now car no turn. I will say when say when meet in papa. Now everybody say Nipano you don't know the person. No one say you could share on the beer or talk on so pocket. Na etina ebia so samba back na say we hia no who say on one na say ebia can cry you be there and our trauma until you don't have any evidence na if the car be ma prove na say the owner has come to confirm say you have not bought the car from you na you be use it until we check document no na say the car is from custom registered and when na who say you have to move another step say better car. That is the main factor. Now and no we are over track on a far road, we track on far road. Secondary, no, the Albion say Ubama or mechanic aswati na or no abbe track on I check engine, transmission, suspension, hub, especially drive shaft. Now, Ube be car no trunk, no snow. I check, he say, and you are car, and I say, baby pointed here in is more important. You get to now the control, you have to check everything. Now, secondary, no, we better car toward dry time, sunny weather. Mem talk time in so air talk and I say weather no here. I know nobody see who I'm a dent to do a car no cry now. Into later now, the back on say, imagine say, we Saturday and night say, it's already gone. The business has already completed and you have nothing to do about it. So, it is very important say about talk on a sunny weather. Now I know problem be our body no you might see it. Now if you there one in panel aka. I don't know bet me after one price bargaining and I say good dealership a bit me aquaman ye pa. I know see one factor. Now if you know what check it say car no kasano. Yes Bernard and about we say for how long be lasted. It is more important. Now, Uber check location ya only the panel dealing say don't go and stand anywhere say you are making payment. Make payment at the right location and at the right process because Saudi Arabia is Kabeko. Now, it's cancel on San Cambio. These are the important things I was say. Mama Yashin ye pa na piano and Fantoni say you can't just go into buying a car now or unquan. So what I say, we talk to no right dealership or not. Also where you should come, and your business now more income abroad. Until I know na, I'm yet chairman said that signing money cost na amount for effort into all these problems. No, no, or better because of your tips, no, your guidelines are the man. Until we check the document, we know you good over track car, access the engine, transmission, trunk, suspension, body. Now we are our mechanic now confirm. Say okay. Now I schedule time. Now proceed the payment. Payment no make sure that we am at the right person and at the right location. Now we will ensure all the car for next week the work we use. Now we use what turns maintenance schedule are more important. It's no better for performing maintenance. That video has already uploaded for very long time to call how to schedule maintenance, when to schedule, and how to inspect it, when to inspect it. Me na na or 70 BBS put the comment below. The way you comment na na man 10 about that one na we hu dia obeye. Na wo problem si o ka ho a record to I already say you be assist you in any location and I say be my direction na wa ba baby ayewo. Say wo pese we mail down wo call ya platform so your email session or no email and na you no atun komo. Your telephone number or wha immediately wo free ya be pick 24/7 na you running. The dia we free bia no you be locate na you no akasa. Na no ye yampem you no bia akasa you pese you no bia good service. Nti eno no be tired wa ha. Nti no you pese you mbo car users ne wo muntu solve wo car issues. Now we use car as long as they can. Whenever you want to sell it, a car is new. Now be to generate more income about your business. That is what we are trying to do for you people. Until you will have for that purpose. Now back video in soon say your first time, please sir. Who was so that the now channel subscribe ya? Maybe feel say who be here pass or best subscribe amayan. Because subscription in here amayan. Now I like you video no. If you share, na comment, comment box na yehu one crampo aye normal communicate your platform. Very important say you bring your audience no and no makasa one on one. Na yet me am shout out. So what I say, you bet me aye advert ama e wa ha you bet me aye weduma ya boy eduma hu de wu ama our platform we so bibi kitwe bi na wetu ya crampo no you bet me I am free because you per se who be dance na movie na obi so dia dance na te say e kwasa na economy na dia ye ne economy sa ntino a very important thing na you per se audience no anyamanya ntino say who per se who bibi na aduma bi na business bi na yan advert ma akonya wo frɛ and I say put message no comment box no ye be ya na ma na ye twa advert na say the location bi na ye wa ye ba ho your cameras and be so I video na to I advert na kama person we business be now person you share about your business you be our platform we so into no bia be join na your workshop nso na you want no modern workshop pepe car no nisi machine so na ya hang no no sa na ye wa nti ye adwuma na ubetuma gina se na wa ye adwuma no be pujana for any length wo pese wo car nkomo na we adman to car ba shop kwempo na car na hu nyefi ana fe yam fa jack ntisi ba bi mbo na park le nko chia nko yesi ya lifting na ya pija na ya ye adman ma ntino sa na ye wa ha ntino ya pese mu gani hands together na obia mbra erikoto wo banso a ye betitu kama ye ba ma quality customer service because our customers are our priority and customer first philosophy and your target into your good service. Na munsu mani aje na ukwa udu biaba. And only your buta ya ba. Intino and there Thursday workshop no na course no. Ye adwuma no. Saa na odu ka ba ya handle na kama ama na ya solve problem ama. Na take general mechanic engine overhauling advanced what do you call it, diagnosis, computer diagnosis, fault detection, and auto refrigerator, car body works, new spring, suspension, everything about car, programming, nina yawa, intino, bra. Now also you saw problem, mama windi. The masi se manya bra manya na erikotuni center. Ghana ni na check platform we say. Bebo ma mo use car mo nya car information na amade bi mposi o mka ho a abra wie no a mo atumi aye ana se bikitu abi na wo mpase o beko so wan ka se betumi aye wa de o fie ana se location wo bia eno no ya buta nti betumi afra ya one on one be send a message bibi bia o pese wo ye bia platform no so e ye wo dia wo betuma yusu na yenso ya boa e ma ho so no ka no ahoden ne correct movement no akoyi ama ntino ye domase dum be sia na ye be hia na su e wo the same platform na men we fi say wo be subscribe na wa like video na wa share na wa comment na ye din komo ntino ye be san hia ye do video ase bye bye.